Slim D6 4K dual dashcam Wi-Fi and GPS front and inside Uber car camera with super night vision and parking monitor 3-channel dashcam upgradable Type-C charging 256GB supported 4K plus 1080 front end. Inside dashcam capture crystal clear high-resolution footage with 2-channel 170-degree wide-angle cameras including a 4K front-facing camera and a 1080p cabin-facing camera optional 3-channel dash cam. This D6 dual dashcam can be upgraded to 3-channel camera by separate purchase of the rear camera. Search B0BLMPFNV3. You can customize your camera to have a 2-way 4K plus 2K front and rear view, 4K plus 1080p front and inside view, or 3-way 2K plus 1080p front, rear and inside view according to your needs. Support Type-C charging and 2 installation mounts. Adopts advanced Type-C fast charging interface, which enables faster and convenient charging and helps to extend the lifespan of the dashcam. Suction cup mount and a 3M adhesive mount included. You can choose the best installation method based on your preference. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Easily access and wireless transfer the recorded videos and photos to your phone by using our free KingSlim app via Wi-Fi and one-click sharing to social media. The included GPS module accurately records driving location, speed and route for you to view directly on Google Maps using the app, which may be helpful for insurance claims or legal purposes. Superior night vision featured with advanced night vision technology that allows this dash cam to capture clear and detailed video footage in low light conditions. This technology combines software algorithms and hardware components including 4 infrared lights and a high-quality lens to produce images and videos even in complete darkness.